Popular Tamil comedian actor Vivek has now been admitted to a private hospital in Chennai after complaining of chest pain. He has been admitted to intensive care unit. He's being closely monitored by doctors. Vivek had got vaccinated just yesterday, had even requested the general public to get vaccinated. At a time like this, he has been admitted. He's been rushed to a hospital. Popular Tamil comedian Vivek has now been admitted to a private hospital in Chennai. Akshaya now joining us, more details on that. Akshaya, the popular actor Vivek just very recently, hardly a day ago, endorsed vaccination. He also appealed for people in mass to get vaccinated at a time like this. When he got his vaccine, here's the man being admitted to ICU, complaining of chest pain. What exactly is the doctor's update on that?
Well, Nabila, popular Tamil actor Vivek, he is known to have acted in movies along with Rajnikant, Kamal Haasan, Vivek, Ajit, all the popular stars of Tamil cinema, and he's a very well-known face. Unfortunately, he suffered a major heart attack and is in a critical condition is what we're given to understand. He has been admitted into a private hospital in Chennai, and we need to remember it was just yesterday that he had spoken to the public via media saying that, he got vaccinated, and he was demanding that all the people in the state to follow course and get vaccinated as well. So at this time, it is very shocking, and it seems like the entire film fraternity has gone into a shock after getting to know that popular actor and comedian Vivek has been admitted today morning to a private hospital after complaining of severe chest pain, and it has been said that he has suffered a heart attack, and that is why he was immediately rushed to an emergency unit, and there he's been now transferred to an intensive care ward, and he is being very closely monitored by doctors there.
Right.
And right now the film fraternity as well as all the Tamil cinema enthusiasts are praying that he has a speedy recovery.
Right, let's hope and wish for his speedy recovery. Thank you very much.